Hi everyone, this is Sandy, and today I would like to introduce you our KF94 mask machine. The speed is 130 to 150 pieces per minute. The whole machine adopts 11 pieces of Shinji servo motors and 4 pieces of ultrasonics. First of all, I would like to show you the wiring effect. It's very dimensional. It's a better wiring experience than the 3-play mask, and you will make your look more beautiful. And we can see here is an outer ear loop welding method, and we also can change the ear loop inside. So this is the normal pattern fish tap mask. We accept customization if customer need. So that's all for the mask introduction. Next we will go through our mask machine introduction. Let's take a look at our machine appearance from the whole. As usual, I will start my introduction from the fitting area. So for the fitting area part, we have the fabric corrector and the tension roller. This is optional. You can either choose to have or don't want it. And this is our tension roller, and it's a manual tension roller. You can try like this, then the fabric can take out, and if you turn like this, the fabric will stay in a certain position. So here we are using 4 fabrics. If customer wants 3 layers or 5 layers, it also can support. This is the fabric sensor. It's meant to detect whether you have fabric or not. If not, it will automatically stop production. And this is our fabric corrector. So 4 layers have to use 4 pieces. If 5 layers, you have to use 5 pieces as well. And we can see here, the fabric is from the top and below. So the middle area is meant to put the nose pin part. So the nose wire will insert from here. Then the machine will automatically push it forward into fabric, and this is the nose pin pattern. And move to next, printing embossing area. We can see here have 3 rollers. First roller is meant to print the patterns on the fabric. You can see here is the same, and make the clear line. And the second roller is meant to cut off the excess edge of the fabric. And the yellow roller is meant to get the fabric forward. We can see here have some hand wheel. This is meant to adjust the mask mode. This is to adjust the second roller, and this is to adjust the yellow roller. This is the folding device. This device is meant to make sure the fabric will not automatically fold, to prevent the fabric fold. And comes to here have a steel. It's meant to make sure the fabric can be folded in a certain shape. And these 2 are the steel is also to make sure the fabric will fold in a certain shape. And after this process, it becomes like a folded fabric. And this is meant to adjust the position of these 2 of things. I will show you So this part is mainly to adjust these two parts to make sure the printer will be on here. So comes to second part. This is the yellow gate roller. This is the second mask mode. It's mainly to print the outer patterns on the fabric. We can see here the outer pattern, these 4 lines. So this is the gate roller as well, and this is the mask body cutter. So this mask mode is using 15K 2600 watt ultrasonics, and this one is the same 15K 2600 watt. This is the turning device. It's mainly to make the mask body can turn aside. If we can see here is outer ear loop. If you want to wear the ear loop inside, then you will not need this device. And next we'll come to our ear loop welding station. The whole ear loop welding station adopts 9 pieces of Shinji servo motors and 7 pieces of stepping motors. Let's take a look. What is the location specifically? So each clip have used 1 servo motors. Total have 4 clips. So here have total 4 pieces. So here have 2 more. This is mainly to drive the welding head up and down. And the second is mainly to drive the clip cylinders up and down. This is mainly to drive the yellow clip turning. And here is mainly to drive this clip to stretch the yellow to come this side. That side is the same. This is our cold pressing ear loop folding device. It's mainly to make sure the ear loop can be folded inside. So this is the mask transport conveyor belt. Comes to here, the mask will be finished here, then this will be pushed down the finished mask to the conveyor belt as well. And we will see our waste connection device. This is our waste connection device. It's another part. Usually some of the fish masks don't have an extra waste connection device, but this one has. And this is mainly used servo motors to drive. And we will take a look at our electric box. So we can see the welding station. Here total use 9 pieces of servo motors and 7 pieces of stepping motors. The cold pressing ear loop folding device is driven by a stepping motors. Okay. So here I have 2 more servo motors. It's mainly for the mask body part and 3 stepping motors. So that's all for the KF94 mask machine introduction. See you next time.